Welcome to episode 69 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor here to explore the foundations of data in AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that many call the Swiss Army knife for machine learning, Scikit-learn.
That's right, Jonas. If you've ever wondered how machines learn to sort emails, predict prices, or group customers without much fuss, Scikit-learn is likely behind the scenes.
Let's start with the basics. Scikit-learn is a Python library designed to make machine learning accessible and practical. It provides simple, consistent tools for tasks like classification, regression, and clustering.
And those terms, classification, regression, clustering, they might sound a bit technical, but really they're everyday problem types. Like deciding if a customer will churn or not is classification, predicting next month's sales is regression, and finding natural groupings in data is clustering.
Exactly. To add a bit more context, classification assigns items to predefined categories. Imagine sorting emails into spam or not spam. Regression is about predicting continuous outcomes, say forecasting house prices based on features like size and location. Clustering, on the other hand, doesn't require labeled data. It groups similar data points together, like segmenting customers based on behavior without preset labels.
I've seen this firsthand in retail. One client used clustering with Scikit-learn to identify different types of shoppers from transaction data. Suddenly, they could tailor marketing campaigns to specific segments and saw a boost in engagement and sales.
Scikit-learn really shines because it covers the entire workflow, from pre-processing data and engineering features to building and evaluating models, all wrapped in an intuitive API.
That intuitive part is huge. In consulting, we often work with teams new to ML, and Scikit-learn's consistency makes onboarding smoother. You can switch algorithms almost like swapping tools without rewriting everything.
Speaking of algorithms, Scikit-learn includes classics like decision trees, support vector machines, and k-nearest neighbors. Each serves different purposes depending on the problem's nature and data.
One memorable case was with an automotive manufacturer using decision trees in Scikit-learn to classify engine faults. Instead of digging through mountains of sensor data manually, their engineers built a model that predicted faults faster and with great accuracy, saving downtime and costs.
That example highlights an important concept: ease of use with strong theoretical foundations. Many Scikit-learn algorithms are based on decades of statistical and mathematical research, yet the library packages them cleanly.
True, and it's not just about algorithms. Data preparation is often overlooked but vital. Scikit-learn offers tools like scaling features to a similar range or encoding categorical data so models perform better. In finance, one bank used these pre-processing steps to improve credit risk scoring, reducing false positives considerably.
That's a perfect illustration of the pipeline feature in Scikit-learn. It lets you chain pre-processing and modeling steps, making workflows reproducible and less error-prone.
Pipelines are a lifesaver in production environments. I've helped clients deploy models that update automatically with new data while keeping pre-processing consistent, avoiding those dreaded works on my machine moments.
Speaking of production, another aspect worth noting is model evaluation. Scikit-learn provides tools like cross-validation and metrics tailored to tasks, accuracy for classification, mean squared error for regression, and silhouette scores for clustering.
I coach teams to never skip evaluation. It's the only way to trust your model before taking business risks. One healthcare provider I advised tested models extensively with Scikit-learn's cross-validation features and avoided deploying a biased model that could have affected patient care.
Scikit-learn also fosters experimentation. Since switching between algorithms or tuning parameters is straightforward, you can quickly iterate to find the best approach.
That's so critical in real projects. I worked on a retail demand forecasting tool where we tried different regression models in Scikit-learn. Each tweak shaved off forecasting error and saved millions in inventory costs.
While powerful, Scikit-learn isn't designed for deep learning or very large-scale datasets. It focuses on classical ML, though often those algorithms achieve remarkable results with less complexity.
Exactly. Not every problem needs a neural network. Sometimes a simple logistic regression or k-means clustering does the job just fine, especially when interpretability and speed matter.
On the educational front, Scikit-learn is often the first library introduced to students. Its clarity helps users grasp machine learning fundamentals without getting lost in code complexity.
From a business standpoint, that broad accessibility means wider teams can get hands-on with data science projects, from analysts to marketers, bridging the gap between data experts and decision makers.
We should mention the open source nature. Scikit-learn is free and regularly updated by a vibrant community, making it a reliable choice.
And the documentation is excellent, full of examples and clear explanations. That's gold when you're onboarding a team or troubleshooting in real time.
So, to sum up, Scikit-learn is a versatile, approachable tool that covers core machine learning needs: classification, regression, clustering, preprocessing, evaluation, and model tuning.
And in practice, it empowers businesses to solve diverse problems, whether it's predicting customer churn, forecasting demand, detecting anomalies, or segmenting markets.
Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Scikit-learn bridges rigorous machine learning theory with practical usability, making it a foundational tool for anyone looking to apply ML effectively.
For me, Scikit-learn is like the reliable all-rounder in your toolkit. Easy to learn, quick to deploy, and powerful enough to drive real business impact across industries.
Next time, we'll explore AutoML, tools that automate much of the machine learning workflow, helping you go from data to insights even faster.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We'd love to hear your questions or comments. They might even feature in future episodes. Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.